Typhon TLR out, and I'm swapping some parts out, put some EXB braces in it, and I'm gonna switch out the ESC and motor and put a castle in there, switch out the servo. What else? Check that diff, check my rear diff, center diff. I might put a spool in here. I want to see if my spool will fit in here. Just want to upgrade this real quick. Let y'all join me on this wrenching video. Then I'm gonna see the end results. I'm gonna have a running video in this video, so you ain't gotta wait to see it running. Just debating on, should I use GRPs or foam? That's one of my questions, GRP or foams. I might get to grab some foams. This ain't gonna be a rocket when I'm finished. Take a lot of this stuff off just to see what's in the bottom of this chassis. You know what? I ain't gotta take this off. Oh, heck. I want to get a better motor mount. I already put earplugs in here, so it's nice and stiff. No, I put a million in here, so it's pretty good. And I kind of want it stiffer. Yeah, I'm gonna start upgrading, man. Stop buying and upgrading. You know, I got one more purchase I want to do, but that's sort of what's a maintenance thing, really. I was just thinking about getting another Outcast EXB with nice little price. A lot of parts I need to upgrade on that car, and instead of buying parts separately, I might as well buy the EXB. Therefore, I had the parts and extra parts to do it. Would hold in tight all of a sudden. Got to redo these wires. Got them all wonky. We're not gonna worry about that yet. See, I took the back diff off and it has no shims in it. They give you shims. So, you know, when you get some of these cars and they come with shims, it comes with shims for a reason. Ain't extra part shims. So you have no shims in it. So pretty soon I would have destroyed the gears. I'm gonna add them shims, add some grease. Now I got it cleared out for the most part. I'm not really worrying about the front. You know, I ain't gotta really do too much to the front besides check the diff fluid, but I'll do that at the end right now. Don't have to change the steering mount because it's metal. It's the TLR. Just one is this part concerns me because my outcast, I mean my notorious, this thing is gave out on me. Gets too hot after a while, and then it wears down. Then it's no good. Thing took it out that I want out. I just took the battery tray out just to clean her up a little bit on the inside, so it won't be so much crap. Might switch these screws out because they rusty. This is why I want aluminum screws in here. Hate this rust. All right, this is me taking it apart. Now I'm going to clean up some of these other parts, and then I'm gonna show you what I want to install in there. All right, here go the braces I'm about to put on there. I'm gonna add them now because I'm having problems with the motor mount screws. Yeah, that's the motor mount screws. I know better than that. I should have took that out from the beginning, but I didn't. And you know how these work. I'm gonna have to Dremel it out. Yeah, that screw, here we go. I'm Dremeling it now, trying to get it out of there. Let's see if I can see up close. I'll see what I gotta do. All right, let's see if I got it all. Yeah, we got it. Yo, I gotta switch these screws out. You know how many times this happened to me? Jeez. Got it all. I'm gonna add the front one first because it's already taken apart. Ran into another problem. See, this is the bigger hole that fits the motor mount. I mean, that's the bigger hole that fixes the braces. But see that? So I gotta go in this first hole right here. So I got two ways to do that. Either I can drill that hole bigger, or I can add drill that hole bigger. Or I could just add a whole different one, the EXP one, so it'll fit right in there. I think I'll go the easier route and drill it out. There you go. And that screw fits in there. Screw fits in there perfectly. So now, there we go. That's nowhere near the steering holder. That's some of the things you run across in this hobby. Now let me add some shims and put this back together so I can add the rear back to it. The rear is all done. The rear is all done, so I just gotta add that back and then put the brace bar right there. Yeah, I only added 2 shims, and it's a lot tighter. All right, let me put this back together. Yeah, yo, y'all ever drop a shim on a flat surface with no tweezers? You know how hard that is to pick up when you have no nails? It took me like at least 15 minutes to pick up a shim because I couldn't find my tweezers. You know, I'm gonna have to put this down to do this. Yeah, well, that's good enough. I might add a little more grease, then I'm gonna close her up. Alright, this is what I got so far. Just gotta add a few more parts. Got the Power Hobby servo in there. Got the EXB braces. Now I want to see, can this spool fit? Hopefully it does. Yeah, I installed the hot racing spool. 40 teeth. And then I'm gonna add a 20 tooth pinion on there. So it should be nice, but it's a little too much. Right there, if you can see that. Alright, pull it out. It's right there on the edge, so I can see a problem. I need that pushed back a little more. I can solve that though. Definitely solve that problem. Alright, got the motor installed. Got it meshed up good, pretty good. That is, why is that so loose feeling? Oh no. I had to fix that. I didn't even realize it. Now here go the finished product. Got everything installed. I got the EXB braces. I got the castle system in there, ADAS. It's the Mamba X system. Got the Power Hobby steering servo. I got the Hot Racing center spool, a 42 spool in there with a 22 pinion. And of course I got the TLR. It's already upgraded as it is. Front and center shock brace. Yeah, this is a censored motor. It's a censored motor, so you know, no cogging. I don't have tires for it yet, so what I'm gonna run the factory tires. Most likely gonna blow them things out. I'm gonna run the factory tires, and I also installed my Futaba T3PV radio. Don't have a fan with it yet, but I'm gonna add a fan sooner or later. Well, I'm gonna add a fan, put a fan back there. I want dual fans. I'll push it so I can see what speeds I can get out of it. But today I'm gonna just test drive. Here go my test run. I'm doing it in my little driveway here. I ain't gonna go too crazy with it. Next video on this is gonna be a speed run. See what speeds I can get. Yeah, this thing is a monster. Wait till I put that 6S battery in there. Get a real running video for it. This thing is gonna be a beast. Yeah, got my little lights up here. You know, I got color changing in the back, just in case y'all didn't see that before. I got red in the back and color changing lights. Got blue in the front. You know, to match the car a little bit. Wondering if I should keep this TLR body or should I put my white body on here just to give it that custom look. See all my upgrades. The motor is the main upgrade. That's the motor ESC is the main upgrade. Got the steering servo, Power Hobby steering servo in there. Got that spool, which is doing pretty good. It's a little warm, but it ain't that hot. Yeah, this thing is a beast. TLR. I don't know what else I can upgrade on this. I think it's alright. Just a motor mount. That's the upgrade I'm doing here. The only upgrade I'm gonna do is these motor mount right here. I ain't worried about RPM arms. This ain't gonna be a basher. It's just gonna be a speed car, basic speed car. Not no trying to hit no high numbers. Get like 100, probably 110. 120 at most. But I hope you enjoyed that video. I got more coming soon. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.